Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to cover our vocabulary words for the book Each Kindness. I know we've already read the book and I know we've already gone over some of these vocabulary words, but today we are going to cover standard RFK2, Reading Foundations, and we are going to go over some of our vocabulary for the week. Now, the first one we're going to discuss is announced. To make known or declare. How many syllables do we hear? Ready? Everyone, let's clap it out, or let's tap our chin like we usually do in class. Ready? Here we go. Announced. All right, teacher did right here. Ready? Announced. How many? Good. We all got two? All right. Here we go. Next word. Ripple. Ripple. To move slow or flow in small waves. Everyone pretend you have something in your hand. We're going to open it slowly. Ready? Little and little and little and little and a little bit more and a little bit more, and it's just really big now. So when we throw a rock in the water, don't the waves just get bigger and bigger and bigger? Right. So just like we discussed in the book, every time that Miss Albert asked her students to throw a rock into the water would get bigger. And Miss Albert told them that whenever we show kindness, it's kind of like the water. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So if Mandy is kind to Sophia, then everyone else is going to be kind to Sophia. If Sophia is kind to Guile, then Guile's going to be kind to everyone. If Guile is kind to Maverick, then Maverick's going to be kind to everyone. It's just a ripple effect, and that's the way kindness kind of works too. The next word we have is thawed. Thawed. Okay? To go from a frozen solid to being a liquid melt. So what do we see here in this picture, boys and girls? Good. It's like a melted snowman. So what happened to the snowman? That's right, he melted. He was once a frozen solid, and then little by little he became what? Yeah, like water, right? Because snow eventually what? It melts, correct. So everyone pretend you have a snowball. So everyone grab a little bit of snow in your hand. Okay, now we have a big snowball, and little by little it's just going to expand, and it kind of like becomes what? Liquid, right? Good. Little by little. Thawed means it goes from a frozen solid to being a liquid. Okay? And this word was in our book when the seasons changed, right? Because at the beginning of the year, what was going on out there? The beginning of the story, we saw a lot of snow, correct. And then little by little, it started to thaw, and it became what season? Spring. Very good. The next word is ragged, worn down or torn. Okay? I want everyone to kind of grab their sweater or their shirt or any item of clothing they can grab and just kind of pull on it. Ragged, ragged, right? Ragged. Okay? It is worn down or torn. So here we have a sock, right? And what's wrong with these socks? They have holes in them. That's right. So when we have something that's worn down, it's been worn too many times, sometimes they get what? They get tears, right? So we've seen that before. So in the particular book, Each Kindness, we saw Maya. And Maya, all her clothes were kind of ragged. All her clothes were kind of what? Old, right? And flimsy. And the people in the story, the characters, made fun of her because all her clothes were ragged. They even called her Never New. They always made whispers about her because of her clothes. That's not very kind, but that is what ragged meant in the story. Last word to know is brilliant. Everyone say brilliant. Okay, it's something very shiny or bright. kind of like a glitter almost, right? Everyone, pretend you guys are coming out of a movie theater. Remember, how would your eyes be? Your eyes would be like, I can barely open my eyes, Mom. I can barely open my eyes. You know why? Because it's too brilliant out there. So, when the snow first fell, it was so brilliant white, so bright, right? Because when the snow falls for the first time, it's super brilliant white. That means it's very glittery and very bright. Okay? Now that we know all our vocabulary, you guys will all have a vocabulary sheet. On the sheet, you have 2 vocabulary words I want you to focus on today. You have the word thawed, which means to go from a frozen solid to being a liquid melt. And you'll have the word ripple. The word means to move slow or flow in small waves, just like the word kindness. So what I want you guys to do with the assignment is I want you to draw what you think the word ripple and the word thawed means. So in your paper you have 2 boxes. One box I want you to write the word thawed, and in the other box I want you to write the word ripple. And I want you to draw in each box what you think each of the word mean. Now, if you cannot access the picture like you can in the classroom, you are more than welcome to come back to this video and come and look at the pictures of the 2 words that I picked for you. You have thawed and ripple. Okay, when you are done, you will take a picture of your class assignment and you will send it to me via Seesaw. Thank you very much.